better MCs? How about Coca-Cola? Yeah? Hey guys, well done. Okay. You know what I'm going to say, because it's Teacher's Day, yes? Yeah. What do I say on Teacher's Day? Okay, happy Teacher's Day. Yeah? In Vietnamese? Chúc mừng ngày nhà. Right. Qua Vietnam. Okay. So what else do I say when it's Teacher's Day? Don't you guys remember? Grade 5. Good job. Okay, I'm so excited. Yes? Okay. I am very excited because we've had a wonderful assembly this morning and a great celebration of Teachers' Day. Okay? So thank you to everybody who is involved in organizing, and everybody who performed, to Miss Irene from our parent community, from the teachers band, everybody who was involved in organizing it, including of course Miss Kim, Mr. Hung, and all her team who got everything ready for you this morning. And Miss Mien, who was over here somewhere, making sure that we could hear everything. Okay? So did we have a good assembly? Okay. So, what is the central idea of this morning? Yes? Teacher's Day is the central idea, okay. What is the central idea behind Teacher's Day? What is the concept? Yes? Working together, okay, good idea, yes? Okay, helping the teachers and everybody, okay? For me, it is really the concept that you come down to, which is to be grateful, okay? So one is to be grateful that we can be all here, working together, sharing together, and that we have such wonderful teachers to help us and guide us as we learn, okay? To make us all who we want to be. So be grateful today, show your gratuity or your gratefulness to your teachers, and make sure you thank them during the course of the day. Can you do that? Good job. Okay, thank you everybody and good morning.